Water, it's everywhere. It flows from the highest points to the lowest, flowing around us and inside us, with a significance like nothing else. So if anything is worthy of a revolutionary advancement, it's this. Introducing the new eSpring water purifier. Better in so many ways, and clearly made with you in mind. Better because of its modern design, built to integrate with every home. Better because it uses all new technology, reducing the bad, but keeping the good. Better because of its connected experience and easy once-a-year filter changes. Better because it treats 5,000 liters of water per year and minimizes waste. And better because the eSpring water purifier has been certified by NSF International and received the gold seal of approval from WQA. This is, without question, water as it should be, renewing and replenishing the people you care about most. Already the world's #1 selling brand of home water treatment systems. Now made clearly better.